tremendous investment opportunity to own a privately situated triplex just one block to the beautiful beaches of Corona del Mar. Each unit features 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. 2 of the units have ground floor entrances from an expansive patio, and the 3rd unit is situated above the garage. Live in 1 and rent 2, or rent all 3 and own a very unique Corona del Mar property on an extra large lot with expansive views of the village, surrounding foliage, begonia park and city lights. Convenience abounds with 3 designated parking spaces and a 3-car carport. Laundry is shared among the tenants. Estimated monthly income is approximately $6,000. 1 unit is leased until June 2014. Each unit is light and bright and features a similar floor plan, with the kitchen open to living room, vaulted ceilings and plenty of privacy. Located at the very end of a dead-end street, this is the last home on the block.